Hello, everyone. This is JMF. I recently took and passed the Georgia Life Insurance License Exam, and here are 25 new questions for Georgia Life Insurance laws and rules. Here we go. What must an insurance company have in order to practice business in Georgia? 1. Certificate of authority, certificate of solvency, certificate of insurance, or a certificate of disclosure. A certificate of authority. Question 2. Is Lloyd's of London Insurance Marketplace allowed to write insurance in Georgia? No, because Lloyd's is an English company. 2. No, because Georgia law prohibits Lloyd's insurers. 3. Yes, as long as they have special permission from the Commissioner of Insurance and Fire Protection. The answer is no. Georgia law prohibits Lloyd's insurers. Company BCD is an admitted insurer in Georgia. This means 1. The company BCD's main office is in another country. 2. Company BCD is authorized with a certificate of authority. Or 3. Company BCD's main office is in another state. The correct answer is Company BCD has a certificate of authority. Next question. Agent D received a judgment against him. How many days does he have to pay the fine? 60 days, 10 days, 90 days, or 30 days? The correct answer was 30 days. Agent D's violation was found to be willful. How much is the penalty fine? $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, or $10,000? A willful violation is $5,000. Question 6. The commissioner has decided to have a hearing. This is because the commissioner gets paid more if he has public hearings. The governor told him to have a public hearing. The state legislature told him to have a public hearing, or because the commissioner believes it to be in the public interest. The correct answer is the commissioner believes it to be in the public interest. Next question. Agent D's violation was not for an unfair trade practice. How many days' notice must he have before the hearing? 1 day, 5 days, 10 days, or 15 days? The correct answer is 10 days. Question 8. Agent E's violation was for coercion. How many days' notice before the public hearing must he have? 10 days, 5 days, 15 days, 30 days. For a unfair practice, it is 15 days. Company EFG changed from being owned by its policy owners to being owned by stockholders. What type of change did this company go through? Was it a demutualization, a mutualization, a demonetization, or a dehumanization? It is a demutualization. Agent D was found to be in violation of a rule. What action would be taken against this agent? 1. Cease and desist order issued, followed by possible fines and even suspension or revocation of their license. Given a slap on the wrist, light punishment. Executed. Given a warning and have their client taken away. The correct answer is a cease and desist order issued, followed by possible further punishment. After given a cease and desist order, Agent M kept practicing and taking clients. What is the penalty fine for this new violation? And for each violation of a cease and desist order. 10,000 per violation, 20,000 per violation, 1,000 per violation, or 5,000 per violation. Correct answer is 10,000 per violation. Which of these is the responsibility of the commissioner? Set premium rates, create insurance laws, assign customers to agents and companies, or investigate violations and check solvency of insurance companies. The correct answer is investigate violations and check solvency of companies. Number 13. A new insurance rule was just created. How many days must it be on file before it can be enforced? 1 day, 10 days, 365 days, or 30 days? Correct answer is 10 days. For order by the commissioner must have several elements to have authority. What item is not required for an order to have authority? It is not required to be signed by all insurance agents in the state. It is not required to have an effective date. It is not required to be in writing and signed by the commissioner, or it is not required to include a summary of purpose and impact. The correct thing it is not required to have is be signed by all insurance agents in the state. As an insurance producer, which of the following actions does Agent M not do? Does Agent M not buy insurance on behalf of their clients? Does Agent M not sell insurance to clients? Does Agent M not solicit insurance to potential clients? Does Agent M not negotiate with insurance companies on behalf of their clients? The correct answer for the thing the agent does not do is he does not buy insurance on behalf of his clients. Which of the following actions is not an unfair business practice? Having more than 25% of sales in controlled business, twisting, churning, or defamation? The correct wrong, illegal action that is not unfair business practice is having more than 25% sales in controlled business. The others are unfair trade practice. Why let her policy lapse? How many years does she have to get it reinstated? As long as she pays all back premiums plus insurance and provides evidence of insurability. Does she have 1 year to get it reinstated? 3 years to get it reinstated? 2 years to get it reinstated? Or 5 years to get it reinstated? The correct answer is she has 3 years, but still must pay back premiums plus interest and provide evidence of insurability. What is the defining factor between twisting and churning? These two are very, very similar and confusing, but there is a way to remember what is twisting and what is churning, and I'll say it before I select the answer. Twisting is when the replacement insurance company comes from a different insurance company, while churning is when it comes from the same insurance company. Twisting is replacement, while churning is coercion. Twisting is when the replacement insurance is sold by a different agent than the first insurance policy, where churning is when the replacement or insurance is sold by the same agent than the first insurance policy. Or 4, churning is when the replacement insurance comes from a different insurance company, while twisting is when it comes from the same insurance company. Here's how you know the answer. Twisting is called external replacement. Churning is known as internal replacement. The external and internal refers to the insurance company, not the agent, the company. So twisting is when it's the same insurance but surrendered and sold by a different company, whereas churning is when it's the same insurance being surrendered and bought from the same company again. So the correct answer is twisting is from a different company always, no matter who the agent is, and churning is when it's from the same insurance company. Okay. Agent Z was given an order by the commissioner without a hearing. How many days does Z have to request a hearing? 1 day, 30 days, 15 days, or 10 days? 10 days. The commissioner has determined that an insurance company is selling fake insurance and feels this represents imminent peril. People's livelihoods are at stake. Immediately they're at stake. Someone could die tomorrow and they would have no coverage that they thought they had. How many days must the commissioner wait to issue an emergency order? The commissioner must wait 10 days. The commissioner must wait 5 days. The commissioner must wait. He can immediately issue the order, no waiting needed, or he has to wait 1 day. The correct answer is, in situations representing imminent peril, there is no waiting needed. Okay. Agent T was found to have violated the laws and rules of Georgia and was given the max probation period for this violation. How long is that? Is it 5 years, 2 years, 1 year, or 90 days? Correct answer is 1 year per violation. Agent Z feels his violation order is wrong. Who can he appeal to? The Superior Court of Fulton County. Those in Georgia know where Fulton County is. The Secretary of State of Georgia, the United States Supreme Court, or the Governor of Georgia. It is the Superior Court of Fulton County. G was the beneficiary for a $1 million policy. When it came time to pay the benefit, the insurance company defaulted and went out of business. What is the max benefit that G can get from the Georgia Life and Health Insurance Guarantee Association? Is it the full $1 million? Is it $250,000? Is it $100,000? Or is it $300,000? Correct answer is the max benefit paid out by the Georgia Life and Health Insurance Guarantee Association is $300,000. Company TYU missed the latest premium payment on their employee group life insurance policy. How many days do they have to pay it with no penalty? So this is like the grace period for a group life plan. Is it 10 days, 30 days, 5 days, or 31 days? Well, unlike individual life insurance, where your grace period is 30 days, for employee group life, it is 31 days. All right. Thank you for hanging with me. I will be back with more questions and more answers. Oh, again, my name is JMF, and I write books for young learners. Follow the link in this video's description to find my author page on Amazon KDP. All right. Have a good day. Love ya.